guys, so we are on site here at Dante Court in Seven Hills, so we're an inner city suburb. This is a higher end, more professional living type suburb. Definitely families. This is a nice big family home, but we're not targeting this towards little families with younger kids. We're targeting this towards a family with older kids. So where you'll notice the finishes and everything that we're doing in this property are a lot higher end, a lot more glass, a lot more things that are less little kid friendly. We do a bit of a pan around. The finishes in this home are the reason we've gone with this style. So we have stainless steel and chrome, we've got grey marbles, we've got feature walls that are painted in Adonamo, as well as the grey that you can see up the top here. So obviously our grey colour palette has been set for us by this property. We've also got the grey carpet downstairs and grey lines. So that's how we choose our colour palette. I haven't gone with adding any extra colours in this property. Most often you will notice we do add a touch of colour. I've kept it pared back. I've gone with blacks, whites and greys. I feel that presents a much more luxury finish. I feel like the consistency throughout the whole property is going to make it just lift the extra level. There's a lot going on here. We don't need to add extra by adding extra colour. We need to complement what's here, but also make this space. So this space feels kind of dark. It feels really quite small in comparison to the rest of the home. We need to make this space feel nice and big. It's a combined dining living. Downstairs, I'll actually go show you downstairs. Okay, so this is classified as the third living space of the home. You can see it's actually the entry into the property. We have what was on the floor here an old handball court that was done with masking tape. Hopefully we can get that looking a lot better, which is very much a thoroughfare space. Make this feel like a usable living space is quite a challenge. So we have living zone over here underneath the stairwell. If I was here, if we had a total say what was going in this property, I'd be removing that bookcase. I would be doing a study look under the stairwell. That's one thing this property doesn't have, is a study space. So that would be a really good use of that under stairwell space there. Also really would work well for first impressions. So you'll see we're going to do living over there, fill up the bookshelf, make it look all pretty, and then straight ahead we have the media area. The media, a little bit different to how we normally style. We actually have a stage in here. It's actually elevated, so there won't be a rug, there won't be a coffee table. This is true event cinema style media room. Together nicely. It was a tight stairwell for the boys to get the sofa up and the glass, but they got it there in the end. When we have a house that is bigger than 5 bedrooms and 3 living areas with 2 outdoor, we do need to reload our trunk. So the boys have gone back to get the extra couple of pieces. They'll be back in about an hour, I'd say, and we'll be all done in about 2. Alright, so we are about 70% of the way through. I'm jumping on now because this is how I make my day work. So I'm not here through to the end. I'm here, I've done the selections, so I'm here to help the girls get the selections into the house as quick as possible. So when I say selections, on the weekend I was down the warehouse doing all of the fluff selections. So it just makes it so much faster if that person is on site. So that's why I'm here. It's all on the bed, it's all been split out. So I'm going to take off now. I'm going to go and help Caitlin do her first install as lead stylist. Help her do all the troubleshooting and all that sort of thing over in West End. I'm going to leave Gabby and Emily to finish up here. But what I wanted to show you was partway through, before we get our accessories down, how it looks and how it all comes together. If we pan around, you can see what we've done in here. Glass top dining table. Yes, we do have some black furniture. It's really interesting. We do often get asked in a way to combat a dark home and to make it feel lighter, to please avoid dark furniture. But that's not necessarily the best way to do it. So I do have black furniture. I've got black fabric dining chairs and a black sofa. This is more of a charcoal sofa. We also have a glass top dining table and a mirror top coffee table. So everything all working together. When we have the lights on, this space is going to feel so much brighter and so much lighter. If I had have gone with black occasional chairs and a black rug and everything was black, yes, there's too much black. But you can see we've offset it with white occasional chairs, and then we've got a heap of different textures going on. So we've got braided rug, boucle fabric, linen fabric, and that's how we build everything and it comes together. When a stylist talks about layers, that's what they're talking about. This space, we've gone for more of a formal sitting space. If you were living in here, we would definitely have a TV. Now the reason I haven't started with the TV in here is because we have these beautiful big windows and we don't have any walls. So to put a TV in here, we're gonna put a TV in front of a window, which yes, we put a sofa in front of a window, but a TV doesn't fill out the entire window and it basically becomes the center point of the room. So we don't want that. We've got formal space up here, we've got a sitting space downstairs, and then we have our media space. So we do have a TV space in this house. And then we've got all the bedrooms almost done.